I'm Jamar Rogers, 29 years old. I live in the Bronx, New York. When I'm not writing music and recording, I actually volunteer. We give food to 4,000 people a day that are living with life-threatening illnesses like HIV, AIDS, MS, cancer. It's the most rewarding thing I could ever do. 6 years ago, I got clean off of crystal meth after being addicted hardcore. I was homeless for a little while. I also found out 6 years ago, because of my drug use, I was HIV positive. Music has been a huge part of my life. The fact that I get to be heard by my personal idol, CeeLo, it's a validation of sorts.
How you doing, man?
How you doing, brother?
How are you feeling? You got to be so proud of Jamar.
I am.
She's at a loss for words.
I am at a loss for words because this is something we dreamed of since he was 6.
My mom, bless her heart, I know I caused her a lot of tears. I know I worried her a lot.
You are my biggest inspiration.
She's just my biggest cheerleader. I'm so grateful to have her in my life. This is huge for me. This could propel me into what I've wanted to do my entire life since I was a little kid. I'm not good at anything else. There's beauty that does come from ashes. You can have a second chance if you want one, if you fight for it hard enough, if you want it hard enough. You can have it. I really do believe I'm the comeback kid.
What's up, bro? What up, man?
Yo! Man, dude, CeeLo, I'm not on the brand new, like, Gnarls Barkley wave. I've loved you since Goody Mob. I've loved you since The Perfect Imperfections.
Yes, sir.
Since CeeLo Green is a Soul Machine.
Thank you.
I saw you sing at Music Midtown in Atlanta, bro.
Oh, wow.
I've been like a hardcore fan. You're the reason I auditioned for the show.
Oh, man.
And
doing this show is because, I mean, it gives real amazing voices and vocalists and talent the opportunity to shine, and you sounded so energetic. I was dying to see what was behind my chair, but honestly, I looked at CeeLo, I go, this is all you, man. Like, just push your button, and
I would feel really stupid to push my button, knowing now. There is no way in hell he would have picked anybody else except CeeLo.
I know.
To the last second, I was just thinking, man, I really should turn my chair around. And then he turned his around, and I thought to myself, like, this is a match made in heaven. You remind me of each other, for sure.
thank you.
Yeah, you sounded great, man. Like, I definitely had a connection with you immediately. Where you from?
I live in New York, the Bronx.
Okay.
But I lived in Atlanta for a little bit, so.
No doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay, brother, you got style, you got charisma, you got presence.
Thank you.
And you definitely got the voice, man. Will you join my team?
Yes, sir. Yes.